Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this super easy and delicious brown butter oatmeal cookies. These cookies are soft and chewy in the center while being nice and crisp on the outside. This recipe is super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is brown the butter. In a small saucepan, melt the butter on high heat and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until it smells nutty and turns a brown color. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below. Transfer the brown butter into a large bowl and set it aside for 10 minutes to cool down. In a separate bowl, we're going to combine together some rolled oats. Do not use any other type of oats for this recipe. All-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. We're going to give this a mix and set it aside. Now into the cooled brown butter, we're going to add in brown sugar and white granulated sugar. Give this a mix until it is combined. Now we're going to add in 1 large room temperature egg and some vanilla extract. Give this a mix until it is fully combined. This recipe is perfect for a quick and easy dessert because it comes together so quickly and you don't need to wait around for the butter to come to room temperature. Now mix both the dry and wet ingredients together. Fold until it is almost combined. Once it looks like this, I'm going to add in the add-ins. For this, I'm using a half a cup of chocolate chips and a quarter cup of raisins. You can always leave the raisins out and add just 1 cup of chocolate chips or even chopped chocolate if you'd like. Now we're going to fold until it is fully combined. Chill the dough for at least 15 minutes in the refrigerator. Once chilled, scoop the cookie dough onto a lined baking tray. Press the cookie dough down slightly using your hands and add some more chocolate chips on top. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once baked, let the cookies cool completely and your brown butter oatmeal cookies are ready to be enjoyed. These cookies aren't the prettiest out there, but they taste amazing. They are soft and chewy in the center due to the oats and have a rich and caramelly flavor due to the brown butter. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.